Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to grade 10. From Noor School and College Mansehra, I am your teacher Muhammad Awais Kashmiri. Dear students, as you know that we have already discussed the unit 2, the champions, in which the true friendship is was the main lesson. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss first part of exercise. In first part of exercise, inshallah, we will discuss glossary, comprehension question, MCQs, vocabulary, and a writing item. So, first of all, we are going to glossary. Dear students, as you know that we have already discussed all these words in detail, but we are going to give these words a look again. Lanky, Urdu meaning patla, tall, skinny person with long hanging arm and long stride. Husky, mazboot, Shidi, Nasli grow, an ethnic group inhabiting Karachi. Members are descended from the Bantu peoples of the African Great Lakes region. Number 3, husky, of a person big and strong. Bragging, sheikhi, to show something. Excessively proud and boastful, talk about one's achievements or possessions. Gong, ganda, badi ganti, a large flat circular tick metal that you hit with a hammer to make a sound like a loud bell. Rumbled, gadgadaya, to make or cause to make a deep resonant sound. Resonant sound mean repeating sound. Pounding, golabari, strike or hitting heavily and repeatedly. Pride, alayda karna, use force in order to move or open something or to separate something from something else. Duct, sar jhukana, lower the head or the body quickly to avoid a blow. Grunting, badbadana, short, deep, hoarse sound in exhalation, means outcoming sound. Barrage, gonse, mukke, a large number of blows delivered simultaneously or in rapid succession, means repeating hits, repeating punches. So, dear students, we have discussed glossary. Now we are coming toward the comprehension questions, which we have already discussed during translation. The first question is, what is the significance of the title The Champions? So, dear students, what do you think? What is the significance of the title? Significance means importance. We know the word champion refers to title or status of being sports champion or best of best. This title acts as a guiding star to understand or predict the lesson. Means the champion is a title which is a guiding star to understand or predict the lesson. And what was the lesson? About true friendship. So, what was the dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher? What was their dream? It was dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher to win national boxing lightweight championship and to represent their beloved country Pakistan in world lightweight boxing championship with flying colors. Means they first wanted to win national boxing lightweight championship and then wanted to represent Pakistan in world lightweight boxing championship. This was their dream. Why was the fight so important for both Ali and Gulsher? As you know that the fight was very important for both the friends. Why? Because the winner of this fight would represent Pakistan in World Lightweight Boxing Championship. It was their dream to win the title for their beloved country. This dream could only be achieved after winning the fight. Means if they are going to win this fight, then they will represent Pakistan in World Lightweight Boxing Championship. So their fight was important. Means they are going to represent Pakistan in World Lightweight Boxing Championship. How did the two friends fought? Sorry, why? How did the two friends fight? Describe in your own words in 5 sentences. Dear students, we are going to write 5 sentences about this fight. We get start as the two friends started carefully. As you know that the two friends started carefully, then they started showing their skills in fight. First 2 rounds were almost equal. In third round, they fought madly and stunned the crowd. Both came out of the ring like a champion. So I have covered the whole unit in 5 sentences. I am repeating for you people. Two friends started carefully. They started showing their skills. First 2 rounds were almost equal. In third round, they fought blindly and madly and stunned the crowd. Both came out of the ring like champion. Question number 5. Compare and contrast the character of Ali and Gulsher. So compare and contrast. First we are going to look at the character of Ali. Ahmad Ali belonged to a famous Shidi family. One thing, while Ali also lived in poor area of Layari. His about Ali, his color was dark, while the color of Ali was fair. Two things. Number 3, Ahmad Ali was short, while Gulsher was long. Ahmad Ali had muscular body, while Gulsher was lanky. And what was the comparison? Both were passionate boxers. Both were very punctual and hardworking, and both were brave and courageous. So I have given you both the things, comparison and contrast between these two characters. Question number 6. Is there any conflict in the story? If yes, describe in detail. So dear students, first you need to know that what is a conflict in literature. So do remember, conflict in literature means struggle between opposing forces. What is conflict? Struggle between opposing forces. Now we have two forces, Ahmad Ali and Gulsher. So they are going to show their struggle, means struggle between opposing forces. These two forces have a struggle. Struggle between two opposing forces is actually conflict. And usually the main character struggles against some other forces. Main character always faces main character struggles against some other forces. And what is the conflict in this story? Title of championship is the conflict in this story. So conflict in this story is the title of championship. I am repeating for you people again. First, what is struggle? What is conflict? Struggle between two opposing forces. This is conflict. And usually the main character struggles against some other forces. And what is conflict in this story? In this story, the conflict is title of championship. Question number 7. What was the effect of fight on the relationship of the two friends? So the two friends were more worried about their relations rather than that of fight. Means they were saving their relationship. They fought like mad dogs in the ring, but the fight strengthened their relations. Though they fought against each other in ring, but the fight strengthened their relation. Question number 8. Keeping in view the relationship of the two friends, it easier or harder for them to fight each other? It was harder or easier? Support your answer by giving references from the text. So, keeping in view the relationship of both, it was harder for them to fight against each other. So, I am mentioning you some part of the text as a reference. Number 1, you have learned that I have been awakened at night pulling punches on you, trying not to hurt you. First reference. Second, they had sensed that a wall is rising between them. Number 3, the more he thought about the fight, the more perplexed he felt. Number 4, falling into a restless and fitful sleep. Number 5, Gul made his way to rooftop, couldn't sense passing of time when he was peering from rooftop. So these were some references. Now I am coming towards question number 9. Are you satisfied with the ending? Support your response with cogent arguments. By keeping in the mind the friendship of both friends, ending is satisfied. Ending is quite satisfied. They lived like two brothers, and at the end both won, and it gave honor to both the friends. Though they fought, but at the end they again showed that they are brothers and went out of the ring as brothers. So, dear student, now we are coming to part B. Choose the correct option for the following statements. Gul's lean form and long reach made him better boxer. This statement means that Gul was a better boxer because he was tall, skinny with long arms, as you have already learned. Number 2, Ali was dark, short and husky. In this sentence, the phrase short and husky means small and well built. Small and well built. Number 3, they both sensed that a wall was rising between them. This statement means communication gap was increasing between them. They were unable to talk to each other clearly. Communication gap was the problem. Next, they could not win the contest because number D, friendship was greater than winning fight. Friendship was greater than winning fight. Number 5, Ali had restless and fitful sleep on the night before the fight because he was disturbed about the effects of the forthcoming fight on their friendship. Now we are coming toward the last part, vocabulary. There are some special words or expressions used by professional or group that are difficult for others to understand. In the story The Champion, the writer uses some special words and phrases which give the story a realistic touch. Some of these boxing terms and phrases are explained below. Every field has its own terms. So, the terms of boxing are here. A few terms. Haymaker, haymaker, मुड़कर जोरदार तरीके से मारने वाला, means the word usually used in boxing when the person swinging with full force twists his waist and shoulders round before turning back, unleashing a mighty blow. Means turning and hitting someone. Haymaker, मुड़कर जोरदार तरीके से मारने वाला. And from grammar point of view, it is a noun. Bobbed and weaved, both are verbs. Bobbed आगे पीछे होना, weaved इधर उधर होना. You might have noticed that when boxers are trying to save themselves from the punches of other people, they turn from left to right and back forth. Such type of movements they make. In boxing, a series of movements executed in which one participant dodges and defends himself herself against his opponent punches by moving quickly back and forth and up and down so as not to present a stable target. Jab, Sida Muka, straight hit. Jab is a type of punch used in boxing. Several variations of the jab exist, but very jab shares these characteristics. While in a fighting stance, the lead fist is thrown straight ahead and the arm is fully extended. Straight hit, in which your arm is fully extended. Pulling punches, न लगने वाले मुक्के, miss hitting. It's a boxing term. When you pull a punch, you don't hit the other fighter as hard as you can. Means your hit is going to miss the target. So pulling punches. Bout, fight, match. A wrestling or boxing match. A wrestling or boxing match is also called as bout. Slugger, मजबूत लड़ाका, strong fighter. A person who strikes hard, especially a boxer noted for the ability to deliver hard punches. One who is well known for his hard punches. So dear students, today we discussed glossary, comprehension question, MCQs, vocabulary, and writing. Inshallah we will discuss in next lecture writing and grammar part. Okay, so what's your home task today? Your home task is question number 7 and question number 8. So write these both the questions on your notebooks and send it to me. Thank you so much.